I am Vicky B. It is nice to be back, and today we will do the cabling on our Redot RC-M6.9 mesh screen. I am glad that you are watching again, and please do watch till the end. Let's go and have a look at the LED screen controller and power distribution unit. This is the LED screen controller, and this is the power distribution unit. Basically, any LED screen needs electrical power and also needs data. The screen controller will transform video signal into a data stream, and this data stream is then transmitted to the screen over cables. So, we have power cables going from the PDU to the screen and data cables going from the controller to the screen. How many of these cables are required depends on the size of the screen, the pixel pitch, and the power consumption. In this case, we will use 3 power cables and 1 data cable. Those cables are also called first power cable and first data cable. Let me take those cables from cable flight case behind the screen. Okay, so this is the power cable, and this is the data cable. Okay, let's start with the first power cables. Just plug into the output of PDU here. And then connect the other end to the panel input in the screen. For the first data cables, we can plug into an output of the controller, like this. Then we will plug that into the data input of the panel in the screen. So, let's connect those first power and data cables here to the panels. All the connectors are new trick, very professional and easy to use. So insert, turn, and the connector is mated and locked. And this is the second main power cable. Also, directly in and turn, and that's it. Okay, the third one is the same. In, turn, that's fine. Okay, the rest of the screen is basically having DC train cabling, so the output of one panel is connected to the input of another one with short called jumper cables. See, this is a data jumper cable. It goes here between 2 panels from this output to this input. See, this is a data jumper cable. It goes here between 2 panels from this output to this input. And this is the power jumper cable. It connects the power output of this panel with the power input of this panel, like this. This will be easy and fast. I can do this without stressing. Just may need a ladder for the highest one. Of course, we could also have cabled during the build-up. Then I will not need a ladder for now, but it is just a small screen, so it is not a big issue in this case. So now that the cabling is finished, we can power up the screen and put an image on it. I am really pleased that I can finally do that. So first, I switch on the power to the controller and make sure that image source is also up and running. So the controller has power switch on. Let's make sure there is an active input from the video source. Okay, now I will turn on the power outputs to the screen one by one. Oh yes, there is the image on the screen. I really like that. The feeling is amazing. And the image is just gorgeous. Well, that is a wrap for today's mission. The screen is cable up and working perfectly. I admit, my colleagues in Redot prepare everything. But still, I am happy with what I could do and with the result. Please do follow us on the www.redotled.com. We will try to show you more soon. See you soon. Bye bye.